The Obdpeak K2 Pro 11.3 dash cam is not just your ordinary car DVR recording device, it's a multifunctional powerhouse designed to elevate your driving experience to new heights. Available on Aliexpress, this cutting-edge dash cam redefines the standards of in-car entertainment, safety, and connectivity with its impressive array of features and functionalities. At the core of the Obdpeak K2 Pro is its advanced 4K 2160p recording capability, which captures every detail of your journey with stunning clarity and precision. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through city streets, this dash cam ensures that every moment behind the wheel is recorded in crystal clear quality, providing you with invaluable footage for insurance claims, legal purposes, or simply reliving memorable road trips. But the Obdpeak K2 Pro isn't just about recording, it's also about connectivity and convenience. With its built-in Carplay and Android Auto systems, this dash cam seamlessly integrates with your smartphone, allowing you to access your favorite apps, music, navigation, and more directly from the dash cam's expansive 11.3 display. Whether you prefer the familiarity of the Carplay ecosystem or the versatility of Android Auto, the Obdpeak K2 Pro offers the best of both worlds, ensuring that you stay connected and entertained on the road. What sets the Obdpeak K2 Pro apart from other dash cams is its innovative dual-lens design, which incorporates two cameras for comprehensive coverage of your surroundings. Whether you're concerned about capturing the road ahead or monitoring activity inside the cabin, this dual-lens setup ensures that no detail goes unnoticed, providing you with a complete picture of your driving environment at all times. In addition to its recording and connectivity capabilities, the Obdpeak K2 Pro also offers advanced navigation features, thanks to its built-in GPS system. Whether you're exploring unfamiliar territory or navigating through busy city streets, this dash cam provides accurate and reliable navigation guidance, ensuring that you reach your destination safely and efficiently.